This tomato sauce has no vinegar, yet it stays rich, thick, and tastes better than store-bought ketchup. 1 kilogram ripe tomato, 1 medium onion, roughly chopped, 4 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and cook for 2 minutes until soft. Add 4 garlic cloves and stir for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 1 kilogram chopped tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes until juicy. Mix in 1 tablespoon tomato paste for deeper color and flavor. Add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Stir well. Cover the pan and simmer on low heat for 15 minutes until tomatoes fully break down. Blend everything until completely smooth and silky. Pour the sauce back into the pan. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice instead of vinegar. Cook another 5 minutes until the sauce becomes thick and glossy. If you want extra smooth texture, strain the sauce once. Be honest, would you eat this with fries, pizza, or burgers first? Comment your answer before someone copies yours.